What's up guys? I've decided to build a GPT by myself. To make a GPT, we actually need a lot of data, and that data could be from anywhere, like from Wikipedia, even from the books, like physical books. But for this project, I'm gonna use YouTube. Let's get started.
See them up. $sign one time.
गाजीपुर का खत्ता मेरी पहचान मुझे तेरे जंगल का मैं शेर खान जहर काम करूँ ना लो किसी का भी एहसान बाप मैंने मेरा तेरी माया पे मेहरबान किंग साइज डबल बेड ईस्ट साइड ट्रबल है बेस और ट्रबल है हथियार एफएल है फील लाइक कैफ तेरी फील्डिंग गलत है आंडू अकल के हीरो बने मगर है शक्ल से
The idea is to make a list of channels and the videos they have uploaded till date. Like I'll use channels that upload videos in English, like Karzat or MKBHD or Vox, like these channels, and I'm gonna use the transcript of the videos and I'll write it in a file, and then I'll basically get the data.
Hola Amigo. कैसे हो ठीक हो?
भाई बहुत ही सेटियां बंदियां हो रही बहुत ही वेट टेल देम आई एम जस्ट नॉट इम्प्रेस्ड
Hola Amigo. कैसे हो ठीक हो?
भाई बहुत ही सेक्सी स्पेक में गिर गई बहुत ही पेप्सी है लॉन्डो की बहुत क्लेयर अपनी मौत से मस्ती शेड डाल के हमारे पे तो कौन है खस्सी कर हेट तो मिले था न्यू ऑफ से मस्ती पूरे खोड़ा से घड़ोली तेरी खोद ते चमड़ी फेस की बकचोदी है
Good morning guys, it's almost 5:45 in the morning and I'm out for a walk. Yeah, how strange is that? And I didn't get much of sleep yesterday because I was coding the whole night and I've made a lot of progress, but yeah, I'm losing all my sleep. I'm highly sleep deprived.
It's day 3 and I finally have made some progress. I figured out a way to stack all the captions from the videos and then put it into a text file, which I can use to train my model.
So that is actually my whole setup where I work and where I record my stuff. That's the tripod and here is the code opened up.
It's day 5 and I've learned many new things. First thing first, I learned how to make a GPT, and I also know how RNN works. Like I understood it to some extent, and I can now code an RNN without using any library, just with NumPy and Pandas. And yesterday I spent the whole day watching YouTube tutorials and Karpati's lectures, and it really helped me a lot. I now understand how things work, how these model works, and I also know how self-attention works. It's a great thing. So let's see what would be the progress.